Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I have a scent that I love on women, which is from Maison Francis Kurkdijan, Paris. It is very difficult to pronounce Maison Francis in French. So you have to, pull your whole mouth apart to pronounce those. Grand Soir. So I would call it Grand Soir. I'm not sure what they call it in French. Anyhow, so this is, I have the sample. This is actually the bottle. You can see over here. This is the bottle. And I think I personally like this a lot. Let's sniff this. And this is full vial, almost like 5-6 ml. Let's spray this and find out how. This is really nice. Fresh, sweet amber and not dense amber. It is like some benzoin or some, something like a fountain, amber, a fountain which is fresh, which is sprouting and water is, sprinkling on your skin. Really love it. It is one of my favorite perfumes, Grand Soir. And I think I would love it on a woman. So it is very close to a perfume I actually reviewed a few months ago, which is I think a month ago. I think it was 2 minutes after the kiss. I think it is very similar to this one. 2 minutes after the kiss has more kind of Arabic touch and more benzoin kind of, cola effect, Coca-Cola kind of effect, cola effect. This has less cola. It has more amber, vanilla, sweetness, benzoin, all these things, moving together. Overall, I think it is a very safe perfume for women or wearing it in an office environment or wearing it daily. It could be easily a scent for daily use. This is really beautiful. So this is, I would say that from 10, I would give it 8 out of 10 for the scent profile. And I think performance of this would be also good. I think I would give it 7 out of 10 for performance. Judging from its power on the strip, I sprayed I think 3 or 4 sprays. I think it would stay easily like 5 to 6 hours, maybe 4 to 6 hours. Overall, very nice, ambery, light, airy, fresh kind of vanilla, light vanilla, amber, very nice blend of vanilla and amber, which is, supported by benzoin. Benzoin like is kind of like you can say cola effect or Coca-Cola, like the smell you get from Coke when you sniff it like up close, a sweet, bubbly kind of cola smell. This is what you are going to get from this. Very lovely. It is, I personally think it is not going to give you any headaches. Very safe. I think if you are a woman, from my perspective, it is a must buy. But before that, I would always suggest you to try a sample of this one. So this is Grand Soir from Maison Francis Kurkdijan. Anyhow, so this is, I think, bravo for me that I have pronounced it accurately. Very lovely perfume. So I think it would be a very good gift for a woman. If you want to give it to someone, I think this is a very nice perfume to give as a gift. This is my review about this Grand Soir, one of my favorite perfumes for women. And I think I would wear it maybe sometimes, but mostly I would like it more on the skin of my wife. So this is all. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.